Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to check message settings in Android. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To check and adjust your message settings on an Android device, follow these steps. Open your Messages app. This is usually the default SMS app on your Android devices, often called Messages or Google Messages. In the Messages app, tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Choose Message Settings from the options and choose General. Here, you'll see different sections to customize your messaging experience, such as Job Features. If your phone supports RCS, Rich Communication Services, you'll find options for enabling or disabling chat features like read receipts, typing indicators, and more. Notifications. Customize your message notifications, including sound, vibration, or silent, and visible on your lock screen. Spam protection. Enable or disable spam protection to help filter unwanted messages. Change each settings according to your preferences. Once you're done reviewing and adjusting your message settings, you can simply exit the settings menu. These steps allow you to customize how you send, receive, and get notified about messages on your Android device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.